let's look at a few other place names. In your niche is Inverness. In your niche. You'll find Inure in many names. It means an estuary or the mouth of a river. And so, in your niche is the mouth of the River Ness. Moving to Inchillan Sciahanach and Antha Yehan, Broadford. Antha Yehan comprises a ford, and Yehan, broad, so it's broad ford. Antha Yehan. Heading south, and once famous for its slate, is Ballachullish. Ballachullish. Balla you'll know as a township or a village, and Coolus is a kyle, channel or narrows, giving us the village at the narrows. Ballachullish. The Learn Gaelic dictionary features definitions of many place names, and I'd recommend you have a look at some of them. When you do, a map of the Highlands and Islands will never look the same again.